Good morning. I am Jack, and this is Log Cabin Firewood. Today, we will be messing with the tree service ash and maple that I've procured the past 2 weeks. Stick around. So hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy Saturday. Last week, I pumped out 2 videos. That's the first time for me. Last Friday, I took part in the Hardworking Man third of a chord challenge. I actually ended up doing a little bit more than a third of a chord, about half of a chord in 60 minutes. If you haven't checked out that video, check it out. It came up last week Friday. And then Saturday, we pumped through some of this maple that was covered in the English ivy. We've got that bucked up into 16-inch rounds. It's some nasty, burly stuff. You know, some of it was crotchy, but hopefully it makes some decent firewood. The locust, it's nice and straight, perfect size stuff. And the ash is pretty nice straight stuff too. It's just a little bigger than I like. We'll get a camera set up and get to doing some of this. to take a brief intermission. I am about halfway through the pile of rounds here. Most of the maple is gone. All we've got left is the ash. And a couple weeks ago when I got this ash, I thought there was a couple other pieces of something else in there. It's definitely ash. I just couldn't tell because the bark was gone. This is what we have in the trailer so far. I do think we can get it all in here. During my little brief intermission, we had some lunch. Had some meatloaf and mashed potatoes. It was absolutely delicious. And we're having a little after lunch beverage in homage of my dudes over at Dude Ranch. Cheers. We now have a load of ash, maple, and just a touch of locust. And altogether, this took me about 2 hours and 40 minutes. We'll have to get it stacked to tell you exactly what it is. My buddy with the wood boiler, his pile has grown a little bit. Some of the naughty crotchy stuff, I just said I'm not even messing with it. I just gave it to him. There's a good bit of junk here. And we will take this and just throw it right into the fire pit right now, and I'll start a fire on top of it and let the fire burn down through it. All right, well, here we are again. Got 2 more cord and pallets ready to go, and we've got the load of ash, maple, and a touch of locust. The day I split this, I had to go to work, so I got that split and I took a nap. But then it rained the following day, and then yesterday I slept all day because I worked that night as well. But today it is beautiful out. It's a nice kind of overcasty day, a little breezy every now and then, but we're gonna get this stacked up. Well, there we go. There is 1/3 of a cord, and we still have plenty left. I definitely think there's more than a cord here. I don't think it's 2 cord. There's a lot of wood here, though. Here we go. We'll keep going with some time lapse. Another face cord in here. There's 2/3 of a cord stacked up. We still have a good bit to go in here. I'm gonna say there's probably another half cord up in here. Yeah, we'll keep going. We have another full cord here. We still have a little bit left in the trailer. I don't think there's a sixth of a cord here, but we're going to stack that up over here and see what we got. We got a full cord of the maple, ash, and a couple pieces of locust, and I don't know, there's not even half of a third of a cord here. It's like a third of a third. But that is going to do it for today. I appreciate everybody stopping by, hanging out, and watching me stack some wood and cut it and process it and all that good jazz. We are coming up on 500 subscribers. I can't believe it. But we are going to do some giveaways here soon, so stay tuned for that video. There's going to be 3 prizes given away: a first place, a second place, and a third place. And it will all be random comment generated and selected that way. So everything will be fair. But yeah, we'll talk more about that here soon. So keep an eye out for that video coming up. You know, share the videos. Let's get to 500 plus. And when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I have a pretty cool giveaway I'm going to do for that. And it's kind of out of the box. It's going to be a different giveaway. I don't think many channels are going to give things away like this. So stick around and we'll check that out. But everybody, enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Have a great, safe weekend. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I love you, man. Can't wait to see you. See you guys.